Hi everyone, Richard Payne here from Keller Williams in Halifax, Nova Scotia. Today, all about headlines, because we picked up a couple of magazines at the weekend and it was so interesting to see the different headlines from one side to the other. So we thought we'd give you a local perspective and tell you what's really going on, because that's what you want to know, is what's really going on. Look behind the headlines, look behind the curtain. These are here to sell the magazines, and they did a good job. So here's the first one. Canadian business, how low will house prices go? That's the big question. Headline, these guys are talking about a plummet of 20% and staying down for years. So that's the first one. And then, funnily enough, you get another one, which has come from Money Sense magazine here. And there's a headline in there that talks about real estate isn't crashing. So you've got Canadian business saying that's it, it's all going to go down 20%, and then you've got Money Sense saying no, it's not. And then locally as well, one of the things that you always want to concentrate on is what's going on in the local market. Because if you're buying and selling property within Halifax, Nova Scotia, and they're talking about what's going on in Vancouver and Toronto, clearly the biggest markets within the whole of the Canadian real estate area, and one of those two markets takes a little bit of a price increase or a price decrease, and guess what happens to the national average? It changes as well. Well, we're not national. We're looking specifically at what's going on in Nova Scotia and in particular Halifax and surrounding areas. And this is a great magazine that we get as well, which is called Business Voice. There you go, you can see that. And it's called Outlook, really what's going on. And the first one that I saw, funnily enough, there you can see building boom, and you can see the big tower cranes that it's going on. And that's what's going on locally, is it's a business boom. So there is such a positive atmosphere going on here in Halifax. So it's one of those things, you've got to know what's really going on in the local real estate market, not the national one. National prices, no offense, but I don't really care what's going on nationally. I care what's going on where I want to live and where I want to buy and sell and invest. So if you want to do any of those three things, buy, sell or invest, then you should give me a call. It's 902-489-1804. Email me, richard@richardpayne.ca, because don't forget, we're here to make your real estate simple.